Ilang senador ng pagtutol sa pagsusulong ng impeachment case laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Ayon kay Senador Mig Zubiri, hindi niya nais na makakita ng impeachment proceedings sa Senado dahil magkakaroon lang ng pagkakahati-hati sa pananaw at mauuwi lamang ito sa gulo. At bilang dating Senate President, alam niya ang magiging implikasyon nito. Hindi rin ho niya nais daw na mangyari sa bansa ang pagdedeklara ng martial law gaya ng nangyari sa South Korea. Pakinggan natin, Juan Miguel Zubiri.
Ako, like many of my colleagues, we would not want to see an impeachment proceedings in the Senate because obviously it's going to be very divisive. I know I'm supposed to not talk about the impeachment, but in my heart, is this what we want so close to the elections? Although if there's an impeachment that is delivered to us in the Senate, we have to do our constitutional mandate to convene an impeachment court. I used to be Senate President, so we know the implication of that. We know our duty. But of course, personally, if you ask me in my personal opinion, sana walang gulo. Kasi ayaw po natin ng gulo at this point in time. Gusto po na namin ceasefire muna at this point in time. Tignan nyo nangyari sa South Korea. Diba? They declared martial law in South Korea. Now nagkakagulo sila doon. I couldn't believe it. No? I couldn't believe that they had this type of political noise in South Korea last night. So, ayaw naman po natin na mangyari yun, na magkaroon ng catalyst for a lot of course, rallies and dissent from any side, no, from all sides.
Pahayag ni Senador Mig Zubiri, ipinahayag din ni Senador Jinggoy Estrada na tutol siya sa impeachment case laban sa Vice Presidente dahil lalo daw lang pong lalala ang sitwasyon.
I had a previous statement before na I am against any impeachment cases. That's it. It will divide our country furthermore. Diba? What happened to when my father was impeached? When my father was impeached, gumanda ba buhay ng Pilipino? Naman, natanggal yung matandang Marcos. Gumanda ba? Lalo na, worsen.
Ayan mo pahayag ni Senador Jinggoy Estrada.